This is big. This is bigger than I expected. All right. Well, let's get to work. Glue, LEDs, and something to help with stuff. Okay. So I wanted to design a castle, and this is me trying to keep it small. Well, let's get to it. While I did design it to be printed on a 250 build volume, I did also make a version that can be printed on the Prusa XL or a 350/360 millimeter build volume, so that should be fine. Well, let's get to it. I just got glue on my nice tablecloth. This is why you don't use nice things for your workspace. Now, if you're not using LEDs, you're done. It looks neat. But I am going to be using LEDs. This is going to come out the back. This is going to be fun. All right. For my first LED project, I am pretty happy with this. This turned out way better than I expected. I think it's fantastic. And I used two different types of LED strips. With this one, I used just a typical LED strip, but for the gray castle, I used the thinner LED strip. But you can see there are places where they have designated where you can twist it. And that makes it a lot easier to deal with. Towever, the first time I went about this, I went backwards. I started from the middle tower and then worked my way back, which made things pretty difficult. So that was with this one. With this one, I started from the back and made my way forward. Now it did make things a little interesting. Things were a little interesting with the middle because it's not attached to anything, and yet it's attached to the LED strip. So, yeah. Things were a little interesting as I was putting things together. My hands were a little big. Couldn't fit inside the towers very easily. But, hey, it's done.